Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rules Designs here on YouTube. Today, I'm here to show you a book, to do a book review, really. I was sent this book by Miss K. Elizabethgreen to read, and it's called Building Spiritual Muscle, One Indigo's Journey to Selfhood. Now, I've read it. It took me a while to read it, but I read it. I'm a very, very slow reader, okay? Because when I read, I have to grasp what I'm reading. So, she sent me this book. I don't remember when she sent it, but I did a video of when I received it. So, it is a very good book. I've learned a lot from it. Um, Notes on it. Hmm. You can see all uh, her stuff on the back. Now, what I learned from this book, because I'm intuitive myself, so that's one thing people don't know about me. But there's a lot of things people don't know. But this book has brought a lot of what I feel is good information and good, how would I word it? Um, Good spiritual meanings and stuff like that to me. If you would like to get this book, you can contact her on Facebook. She is an intuitive life coach. She's a certified angel therapist. And she's the founder of Indigo Institute of Nevada. So if you like this book, you can contact her on Facebook. Um, She has a book for sale, I believe. I have to, but for me to review this book, it's taken me a while to read from cover to cover. There's a little bit about her here. Um, and all the acknowledgments and everything are in here. I mean, she gives you guidelines, she gives you a lot of inspiration um, on how to go about finding out certain things. Um, you know, I have learned a lot from this book, I can tell you. Um, Reading about what it is to be building my spiritual muscle, I learned how to build it, what to do in building it, and all of that. But the most thing that I've learned reading this book is it's a never ending thing. Building your spiritual muscle is never ending thing. It's a lifetime of building it. You build it every day. You can teach others how to build theirs. Uh, to me, I've I would like to help other people build their spiritual muscle, but she's helped me through this book, and I'm gonna read this book again and take notes on I didn't take notes this time around, um, but I will get a notebook, which I already have. I'm gonna couple it with this book only. And I'm going to take notes in certain parts of the book and come back and give y'all um, more information about what I think and about what I read. But this is just the review. Um, I love this book. I mean, it's very informational. It helped me a lot on the meaning of building the spiritual muscle, and to get going on what I want to do and all that. So, Miss Elizabeth Green, thank you very much for letting me do a review on your book. And I wish you all the spiritual muscle building and all the luck for your next book. Um, I can't wait to read the next book. I mean, this one was really good for me. So, again, Miss Elizabeth Green, thank you. I thank you very much for sending me this book and give me the opportunity to read it and do a review on it. Um, I'm very grateful for that. So I will say thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your support. And please build your spiritual muscle and be blessed, be kind, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.